Okay, so here's a quick video on how to find all 6 trigonometric functions when you're given one of them and you're given a quadrant it's in. So first thing we notice is that it says that it's in quadrant 2. Quadrant 2 could also be 90 degrees less than A, which is less than 180 degrees, or it can even say pi over 2 is less than A, which is less than 180 degrees, or pi. So this could be any of those 3 ways of showing it. So first thing I want to do is I want to draw my triangle over here in quadrant 2. So if I draw my triangle, notice point P would be up here. So to get to point P, I would go to the left and then up. That's why the triangle looks as it does. Also, we always put the theta closest to the origin, because that's the angle that's opening to get to point up there. So the sine of A is the opposite side over the hypotenuse side. Now we can find the other side by using Pythagorean theorem. So I would say 3 squared plus b squared equals 7 squared, or 9 plus b squared equals 49, or b squared equals 40. Now if I find b, I would have to take the square root of 40. Now in taking the square root of 40, I know that I can simplify that to the square root of 4 square root of 10, which becomes 2 square roots of 10. So now I know this side is 2 square roots of 10. From there, I'm going to find all 6 trig functions, one of which I know it was given to us right here. So because that was given to us, I know that the sine of A is equal to positive 3 over 7. Right away, then I know that the cosecant of A, because that's the reciprocal, would be 7 over 3. Let's find cosine. Cosine, I need to know what the opposite side is and what the adjacent side is and all that stuff. So here's the opposite, here's the adjacent, and here's the hypotenuse. So now that I know that, I can say that cosine is the adjacent, 2 square root of 10 over the hypotenuse. Meaning that the secant is 7 over 2 square roots of 10. I can simplify that by multiplying top and bottom by square root of 10. And we get that the secant of A is equal to 7 square root of 10 20. 10 times 2 is 20. I then can find tangent. Tangent of A is equal to 3 over 2 square roots of 10, which becomes 3 square root of 10 over 20. I'm doing that by multiplying by the square root of 10 here and here. If I know tangent of A, I then can find cotangent of A. Now here's something that's interesting. Instead of taking the reciprocal of 3 square root of 10 over 20, if I take the reciprocal of 2 square root of 10 over 3, so take the reciprocal from there, I won't have to rationalize twice. So now I know all 4 of my answers. I have these 2, which are a matching pair. I have this one and this one. I have this one and this one. Hopefully this helps.